On today's edition of Meet the Cast, we have Gracie Cotten, the very talented actress who plays Sami, the shop's master mechanic on Shifting Gears. Sami's character is a very quick-witted, sarcastic character, and the moment I came across Gracie's acting reel, I knew she was perfect for the part. I was absolutely thrilled when Gracie decided to take on the role. Here are a few outtakes to show you just how much fun we had on set.
Yep, I say something.
You boys have fun.
Yep, that's it. Those are the words. Those are the words.
Can you have a buzz?
It's just that was weird. Sparkly fingers. Well, I'm gonna get out of here. You boys have fun. You're killing the buzz. That was terrible. That was horrible. I don't know why I struggled.
You know, I think my favorite part of Gracie's performance were her facial expressions. I'm gonna leave you today with just a few that were absolutely priceless.